Right now, we're gonna be talking about how to solder. First, you gotta get your safety glasses. You don't want to look. You don't want no solder to blind your eye. Then you gotta go get your solder. 3-long strand of solder. Now, my iron, it's looking kind of dull. I'm gonna dip it in the flux. This is called flux. Dip your iron in this to clean your iron. Smoking. I'm gonna wipe that on the sponge. Now my iron still isn't tinned, so I have to put solder on my solder iron and tin it. I have to wipe it with the brush. You usually want your solder iron to be set between 3 or 4. Some people prefer 5, but I prefer 4. Now, these are called helping hands. I use these to help me hold my bore so I can have both my regular hands free. Now, I'm gonna solder a little component. For this project, this is an AM radio. I had to bore stuff all these components. I had to run through a whole lot of tests. And now I'm gonna solder real quick.
Okay, and get you guys cleaned up.
I just successfully soldered the component.
Spielberg, let's get the people cleaned up.
Alright. Now, that's finished. This is a completed product.
Do me a favor, do an extra nice job. I got Preston over here soldering. Make sure everything's all cleaned up.
See that as our teacher, getting everybody cleaned up, you know. This is the negative terminal. I had to connect that to the positive terminal on my battery holder so I can get power.
You may have to be a little bit flexible with, you know, if somebody needs advice or something like that, or you see something going on, you may want to go over and just maybe show them.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. Let's get cleaned up. Jordan, Ant, make sure you do a good job. Because like I say, a freshman's coming over.
Alright, this is the negative, that's the positive. Connected it. Positive to negative, negative to positive. That's called series. Not getting into that though.
Whatever you didn't get done on the this is homework tomorrow.
Alright, this is called.
Okay.
This is
got 2 days on it. You should have enough.
This is called solder wick. Use this to desolder components in case you did it wrong.
Then you need to.
Alright. In here we don't get any stations, so we're gonna take it outside. Yeah, outside. Yeah, let's do it.
Yo.
Got it.
You go ahead.
Now, this is my switch. I have to turn this on. Like right now it's off. You see there's a little something holding me back right here. Now, apply a little more pressure and I'm turning it on. This right here, I use this to tune my radio and change my stations. Get station now. Look, right now I'm getting stations. Come closer. Listen closely, you can hear an AM station. And I can tune it using this. And I can get a few more stations. That's a little airplane station. Little something. That's something else. Don't know what that is. That's something else.
Put the Disney Channel on.
Yeah, get your little something. There we go. It's a different station. Wait, hold on. There we go. Hear that? Alright. That's loud. Holy shit. Alright. This is a finished product of an AM station on electronics.